Welcome to today, the special winners of the 65-year anniversary. So today's a big day. We're celebrating 65 years. We have the lovely Farmhouse Duo, featuring and Salay. And the most important thing today is we're here because of everyone like you, all the supporters, volunteers, workers, donors, everyone along the way to these last 65 years have made celebrations like this possible. So if you go to our website, follow the link, and then you can donate. Your support is very, very helpful. It helps us put on great things like this for like the ladies of Padwick House. So without any other ado, I give to you, Farmhouse Duo.
Hello everyone and all the kids around the yard here. It's a beautiful day here in North Vancouver. We're going to start things off with an old song by the Beatles.
Yeah!
Beatles, yeah!
Beatles!
1, 2, 3, come on! I just see her face again, forget the time and place we just met. She's just the girl for me. I want all the world to see we met. La 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 la. Had it been another day, I might have looked the other way, and I'd have never been aware. As it is, I'll dream of her tonight. La 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 la. Falling, yes I'm falling, and she keeps calling me back again. Falling, yes I'm falling, and she keeps calling me back again. I would never know the likes of this. I've been alone and I've missed things and kept out of sight, but other girls were never quite like this. La 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 la. Falling, yes I'm falling, and she keeps calling me back again. Falling, yes I'm falling, and she keeps calling me back again. See her face, I can't forget the time or place where we just met. She's just the girl for me. I want all the world to see we met. La 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 la. Falling, yes I'm falling, and she keeps calling me back again. Falling, yes I'm falling, and she keeps calling me back again. One more time. Falling, yes I'm falling, and she keeps calling me back again.
Thank you so much for joining us. This is Salay, the famous banjo player. I'm Erica Hackinson. I actually sit on the board of directors of the North Shore Connection Society. So it's a great honor to be here playing and spending time with all of you guys. What do we have next, Cam?
We've got an old song by Fats Domino, an old piano player from the 50s, I believe, but yeah, you know that. And There's a bluegrass band from the States that covered this, and the banjo player is J.D. Crowe, one of the best banjo players on the planet.
Besides you, Cam.
I'm the best banjo player in East Brackendale.
Absolutely, East Brackendale.
There's a guy, I was all of Brackendale until my friend Michael Kilby, who's like 22 now. So he lives on the west side of Government Road. So he's the king of the West Brackendale.
All right, that's fair.
Sounds like a showdown.
So here, you might know this one, so sing along if you do.
I'll run through the chords first. Could you turn your guitar up a little bit?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm walking, yes indeed, not talking about you and me. And I'm hoping that you'll come back to me. I'm lonely as I can be, and I'm wanting your company. And I'm hoping that you can return to me. Well, what you gonna do when the well runs dry? You're gonna sit right down and cry. I'll be right here by your side. You pretty baby, I'd even die. I'm walking, yes indeed, and I'm talking about you and me. And I'm hoping that you come back to me. Yes, indeed, and I'm hoping about you and me, and I'm hoping that you return to me. I'm lonely as I can be, and I'm wanting your company, and I'm hoping that you'll return to me. Well, what you gonna do when the well runs dry? You're gonna sit right down and cry. All you gotta do is dry your eye. You pretty baby, I'd even die. I'm walking, yes indeed, and I'm talking about you and me, and I'm hoping that you return to me. Yes indeed, and I'm talking about you and me, and I'm hoping that you return to me. I'm lonely as I can be, and I'm wanting your company, and I'm hoping that you return to me. Well, what you gonna do when the well runs dry? You're gonna sit right down and cry. I'll be right here by your side. You pretty baby, I'd even die. I'm walking, yes indeed, and I'm talking about you and me, and I'm hoping that you return to me. Thank you very much. There's another sing-along. Everybody will know this next one. It's in the key of D, so you can find your note. D. Sing it like that. D or D. When I wake up, you know I'm gonna be the one that's waking up with you. When I go out, you know I'm gonna be the one that's going out with you. If I get drunk, you know I'm gonna be the one that's getting drunk with you. If I have out, you know I'm gonna be the one that's quivering with you. Everyone. I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more just to be the man who walks 1,000 miles to fall down at your door. When I'm working, you know I'm gonna be the one who's working hard for you. When that money comes in, for all that work I do, bring all that money home to you. When I'm lonely, you know I'm gonna be the one who's lonely without you. When I'm dreaming, You know I'm gonna be the one who's dreaming about you. Not one, 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 100 miles in love. Just to be the man who walks 1,000 miles to fall down that shore. Working, you know I'm gonna be the one who's working hard with you. When I go out, you know I'm gonna be the one who's going out with you. When I'm lonely, you know I'm gonna be the one who's lonely without you. When I'm dreaming, you know I'm gonna be the one who's dreaming about you. Not what 500 miles and I walk 100 more just to be the man who walks 1,000 miles to fall down and shoulder. Oh, we just found out that it's Angie's birthday today.
Yeah, happy
Holy
birthday,
moly.
Angie. We got a little something for you.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday too.
Next
What's your name?
Next month.
Next month.
Next month. What's your name?
Maria.
Milia? No.
Maria.
Maria. And
Maria and
Angie.
Angie.
Okay.
All right.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Angie and Maria. Happy birthday to you. Let's try it again. Happy birthday to you. Oh, we got a spoon player as well today.
Ow! She's joining the band.
Woo!
We love it.
Time of your life, more banjo.
The banjo can
Still being
dance.
a little bit mic shy, I would say.
They like your meat.
Mic shy.
All right, Cam. What do we got? We have next. Is anybody a Green Day fan out there?
Oh, it's a beautiful green day right now.
It's a beautiful. Yeah, you have some beautiful green grass. This looks much better than mine. Well, let's try the little Green Day and see if you guys can sing along with that.
They're not too interested in my
You
salad.
can hear the birds.
Yeah, you start off.
They like the meat.
Two, three.
Another turning point, the fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. Something unpredictable, if the end is right. I hope you had the just a second to switch over some instruments.
Am I switching over too?
Yes,
Little switch over here. It's warm and sunny.
Go away. Get away from me.
I think everyone's ready for a vacation. I definitely am ready for a vacation. So we're gonna transport you somewhere real nice. A little bit of ukulele sound. Imagine yourself on an island somewhere. And they're gonna take us right back with the Beach Boys.
nice.
Next Beach Boys? Perfect.
Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take it to Bermuda, Bahama, come on pretty mama, Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go Jamaica off the Florida Keys? There's a place called Kokomo, that's where you wanna go to get away from it all. Bodies in the sand, tropical drinks melting in your hand. We'll be falling in love to the rhythm of the steel drum band. Way down in Cuba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take a trip Bermuda, Bahama, come on pretty mama, Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go to Kokomo? We'll get there fast and then we'll take it slow. That's where we wanna go. Way down in Kokomo. I wanna see. We'll go down to sea and we'll perfect our chemistry. By and by we'll defy a little bit of gravity. Afternoon delight, cocktails and moonlit nights. That dreamy look in your eye gives me a tropical flashback. Way down in Kokomo, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take it to Bermuda, Bahama, come on pretty mama, Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go to Kokomo? We get there fast and then we take it slow. That's where we wanna go. Way down to Kokomo, my prince, I wanna catch a glimpse. Everybody knows a little place called Kokomo. Now if you wanna go and get away from it all, go down to Kokomo, Jamaica. Ooh, I wanna take it to Bermuda, Bahama, come on pretty mama, Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go down to Kokomo? We get there fast and then we take it slow. That's where we wanna go. Way down in Kokomo. Ooh, I wanna take it to Bermuda, Bahama, come on pretty mama, Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go to Kokomo? We get there fast and then we take it slow. That's where we wanna go. Way down in Kokomo. I'm ready.
I'm ready for the beach.
Ready for the beach. Go to the beach.
Would there be any riptides down in Kokomo, you think, off the beach?
There might be some riptides. We should go explore them.
Be careful of that.
They almost fucking
2, 3, 4.
Scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. You're the magician's assistant in their dreams. They come unstuck, running down to the rhythm time, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left hand man, and I love you when you're singing that song again. I got the love for my broken. You're gonna sing the words wrong. There's this movie that I think you'll like. Guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. The cowboy's running from himself. She's living on the highest shelf. They come unstuck, lady, running down to the rhythm time, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left hand man, and I love you when you're singing that song again. I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I just wanna know if you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I can't have it any other way. Swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen. No, lady, running down to the rhythm time, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left hand man, and I love you when you're singing that song again. I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.
Bumblebee duty over here.
All right, let's step back from the riptide and look far, far over the rainbow.
over here. My sister.
Show yourself when you come in when you start singing.
What's it
Oh,
called?
sister. What? Nancy.
Yes!
If you want food, it's upstairs.
Thank you.
All right, ladies, are we having a good time so far? Okay, we're transporting you again to somewhere over the rainbow. Feel free to sing along. I think you'll know this one.
Tiki.
All right, another little bit of instrument change here from me. We did want to thank Smoke and Bones for donating the barbecue here for the residents for the big celebration. Thank you so much for your support. And for anyone else that's looking to support the North Shore Connection Society, as Taylor mentioned, you can go ahead and do that right from, if you're watching live, from the Facebook page or from YouTube. You're able to click through to the website and make a donation for awesome events like this that support our members. And for these ladies have been here for over 20 years. It's pretty exciting. Woo!
I wasn't know I had coffee.
So we were told the Padwick House are pretty big fans of Johnny Cash.
Ready?
So we're not quite at Ring of Fire, but we got another one you might know. It's called Boy Named Sue.
A boy named Sue, that's a funny one.
Words.
And if you know it, you should sing along.
What do you got in here, Dad?
Spoons are ready to go just in case.
But, oh, there goes my sheet. Anyway, sorry, I have to tune my guitar, because you ladies could tell I was a little out of tune, right? That one, there's a string. It's the sun. The sun is being rather playful with the guitar. You listen to me too.
You are white kids. Maybe the best.
Now we're hoping, ladies, once you're done with lunch, you're going to get up and dance. Give me some songs to dance to coming up.
All right, here's some Johnny Cash. Well, my daddy left home when I was 3, and he didn't leave much to Ma and me, just this old guitar and an empty bottle of booze. Nah, I don't blame him because he run in hid, but the meanest thing that he ever did was before he left, he went and he named me Sue. Well, he must have thought it was quite a joke, and it got a lot of laughs from a lot of folks. Seemed I had to fight my whole life through. Some gal would giggle and I'd get red, and some guy'd laugh, I'd bust his head. I tell you, life ain't easy for a boy named Sue. Well, I grew up quick and I grew up mean. My fists got hard, my wits got keen. Run from town to hide my shame. Finally made me a vow to the moon and stars. I'd search the honky-tonks and bars, and I'd kill the men. Gave me that awful name. Well, it was North Vancouver in mid-July, and I just hit town, my throat was dry. Thought I'd stop and have myself a brew. At an old saloon on the street of mud, there at a table, dealing studs, sat the dirty mangy dog that named me Sue. Well, I knew that squid was my own sweet dad from a worn-out picture that my mother had. Knew that scar in his cheek and his evil eye. He was big and bent and growing old, and I looked at him and my blood run cold. I said, my name is Sue. How do you do? Now you wanna die. Well, I hit him hard right between the eyes, and he went down, but to my surprise, come up with a knife and cut off a piece of my ear. And I busted a chair right across his teeth and crashed through the wall into the street, kicking and gouging in the mud and the blood and the beer. Well, I tell you, I fought tougher men, but I really can't remember when. Kicked like a mule and he bit like a crocodile. Ouch! Well, I heard him laugh and I heard him cuss. He went for his gun and I pulled mine first. Stood there looking at me and I saw him smile. Said, son, this world is rough, and if a man's gonna make it, he's gotta be tough. You, I wouldn't be there to help you along. So I gave you that name and said goodbye. I knew you'd have to get tough for dying. It's that name that helped to make you strong. Now you just fought one hell of a fight, and I know you hate me and you got the right to kill me now, and I wouldn't blame you if you do. But you ought to thank me before I die for the growling you got and the spit in your eye. Cause I'm the son of a bleak that named you Sue. Oh, sad story, sad story. Well, I got all choked up and I threw down my gun. Called him a paw and he called me a son. I'm away with a different point of view. And I think about him now and then, every time I try and every time I win. And if I ever have a son, I'm going to name him Bill or George or Thomas or Erica or Cam, anything but Sue. Yeah.
Okay, I want to say is, Danny, Ring of Fire.
Ring of Fire. Ring of Fire is your request?
Let's do it right now.
All right, we can do it right now.
What's his name?
Cam.
I'm Janet Taylor.
Sorry?
I'm Janet.
You're Janet, and that's Janet. This is Cam. Yeah. Should we do Ring of Fire right now? I think they're dying for it.
Okay, they're dying for Ring of Fire. It's a Johnny Cash double shot. This will require some banjo though.
Oh yeah, we gotta switch back here. It is nice.
Very nice guitar, isn't it?
When you're that good a player, you need a nice guitar.
Guitar problem. I just keep buying guitars. I don't need one of these.
Sounds like a good problem. You guys have fun.
I think this was the capo too for me. The capo is. It's a Smoking Bones barbecue. They probably have a Ring of Fire.
Yeah, we should ask. Is Ring of Fire on the Smoking Bones barbecue menu? Does anybody know?
I know the song.
Are you gonna sing along? Janet's gonna sing along.
All right, Janet.
I don't even remember the words. I'm just gonna. You'll come to me.
Yeah? You gonna do it again? Maybe?
So 1, 2, 3, 4. Love is a burning thing, and it makes a fiery ring. Bound by wild desire, I fell in the ring of fire. Everyone! I fell into a burning ring of fire. Went down, 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 and the flames they went higher. And it burns, burns, burns.
That ring of fire. That ring of fire.
Well, the taste of love is sweet, when hearts like ours meet. I fell for you like a child. Oh, fire and wine. I fell into a burning ring of fire. Went down, 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 and the flames they went higher. And burns, burns, burns.
That ring of fire. That ring of fire.
Well, the taste of love is sweet, like hearts when ours meet. I fell for you like a child. Whoa, fire and wild. Everyone! fell into a burning ring of fire. Went down, 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 and the flames they went higher. And burns, 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 that ring of fire, that ring of fire. One more time. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And burns, 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 that ring of fire, that ring of fire. It burns, 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 that ring of fire, that ring of fire. Johnny Cash.
So welcome.
Because you guys are so awesome.
Oh, thank you. You're so awesome. Great dancing.
That was Janet dancing for us.
Thank you, Janet.
Do you know, David, do you know the name of, Jackson people?
The what?
Jackson people?
Justin Bieber. Oh, Justin Bieber.
Canadian Justin.
You know, I feel wrong being Canadian and not pulling out a Justin Bieber song. But you know what? We do have Serena Ryder coming up. That's a good one? Okay.
What's your name?
We can do Serena Ryder.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we'll play Serena Ryder for you now. How about that? Is that good, Marie?
Yeah.
All right. You gonna get up and dance, Marie? Excellent. It's a dancing song.
We're gonna dance!
Now this song always reminds me of my good friend Gabby, who loves it as much as I do. So hopefully she's tuning in and gets to hear it.
Oh, shout out to Gabby. Marie's coming up to the dance floor now.
Oh, excellent. Dance floor. You're here. All right.
What's it, cable?
Darn, I gotta put my cape on. Bad Ken. Wait, I can't remember it. There we are.
If you should fall to pieces, you know I'll pick them up. There are so many reasons I'm never gonna get none. If you should leave this country, you know I'll come to you, because you always love me. Oh, what I wouldn't do. Oh, what I wouldn't do. I'll carry the weight. I'll do anything for you. My bones may break, but I'll never be untrue. Oh,
She has got the beat. That girl's got the beat by the tail.
Thank you. Hi, Daddy. I said Daddy.
Okay.
I got something to say to my mom. I told you about. We're gonna come with you. I'm gonna be your starter.
You started.
Mother!
Said.
You're not gonna sit the tidy. Pick up that poison too.
Okay. Just do shallow. No, diggity, shallow, and then raise it.
Oh, you got the food.
I'm just mixing up our song order a little bit, so we're playing what you like.
We're doing this one because we've got my banjos on the capo too already.
Yeah, that's very convenient.
So it works out. Sure to get down, good lord. Baby got 'em open all over town. Strictly but she don't play around. Cover much ground, got game by the pound. Getting paid is a forte, each and every day. True play away, I can't get her out of my mind. Think about the girl all the time. East side to the west side, pushing fat rides, ain't no surprise. Got tricks in the stash, stacking up the cash. Quick when it comes to the gas, by no means average. She's a long way, she's got to have it. Baby, you're a perfect 10, I wanna get in. Can I get down so I can win? I like the way you work it, no diggity. Don't bag it up, I like the way you work it, no diggity. Gotta bag it up, I like the way you work it, no diggity. Gotta bag it up, I like the way you work it, no diggity. Gotta bag it up. She got class and style, street knowledge by the pound. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catch feelings and no, let me tell you how it goes. Curves the words, spins the verbs. Robert it curves, so freak what you heard. Rolling with the fatness, you don't quite know what the happens. You got to pay to play, just for shorty bang bang. So look your way. I like the way you work it, top notch, drop tight every day. Blowing my mind, maybe in time, baby I can get you in my ride. I like the way you work it, no dude, gotta bang it up. I like the way you work it, no dude, gotta bang it up now. I like the way you work it, no dude, gotta bang it up. I like the way you work it, no dude, gotta bang it up now. I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hot, looking for a comer, this is freaking awesome. I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hot, looking for a comer, this is freaking awesome. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. I work it, no digging. Gotta bang it up now. I like the way you work it, no digging. Gotta bang it up. I like the way you work it, no digging. Gotta bang it up now. I like the way you work it, no digging. Gotta bang it up now.
I think we changed that version a little. Why? Love that about Maybe a little bit.
I know, every time we've done a set list, we never followed it.
I would say that's pretty true of almost everything we've ever done.
It's like your birth plan. Your birth plan never.
Yeah.
You can't force something into it usually, and then
Are there any Lady Gaga fans? You mentioned Justin Bieber. Okay, a little bit of Lady Gaga fans.
I like Lady Gaga better than the Biebs. Justin Bieber. Didn't Justin Bieber play for the Toronto Maple Leafs? Yes, that's right. That's who he is.
Oh,
I like to have a
misplacing him.
You were misplacing him. Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change. And in the bad times I fear myself. Tell me something, boy. Aren't you tired of trying to fill that void? Or do you need more? Ain't it hard keeping it so hardcore? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change. And in the bad times I fear myself. I'm off the deep end, watch as I dive in, underneath the ground. Crashing the surface where they can't hurt us, far from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the shallow, in the shallow, far from the shallow now.
Coming back.
Deep end, watch as I dive in, underneath the ground. Crash to the surface where they can't hurt us, far from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the shallow, in the shallow, far from the shallow now. Far from the shallow now.
One more?
Okay, we're going to do one more song for you. We're roasting our biscuits up here on a beautiful, beautiful sunny day.
We want to thank North Shore Connections for having us again. And if you are watching live or from any of their other houses, thank you so much for tuning in. Remember, North Shore Connections is a fantastic society that's put on the show today, has supported these wonderful members you see dancing, and you have the opportunity to support them, so feel free to visit their website through the Facebook Live or YouTube Live. And hopefully we see you guys again soon.
Yes, thanks. And I'm going to send this one out to my buddy Thomas Cranwell. He's a member of the North Shore Connection Society, and his dad and I went to school together back in Winnipeg. Right from when I was a kid.
Yeah, Winnipeg.
You a Winnipegger? Angie's a Winnipegger? Wow.
Uncle lives
Her
there.
uncle lives there.
Yes.
Winnipeg. Oh yeah, we go Jets, go Bombers.
All right, hope you hear this, Thomas.
Okay, where's Thomas? And Dean was his dad. We grew up together right since, I don't know, grade 2 or 3 or 4. And he lives on North Van, and Thomas used to call me Banjo Cam or something like that.
All right, so let's all start calling him Banjo Cam.
Banjo Cam. Okay, this starts on the C chord, and then when I sing, we go to the F. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Going out on the highway, listen to them big trucks whine. Going out on the highway, listen to them big trucks whine. Oh, my friend, I want you coming home and weigh my mind. Well, New Mexico ain't bad, Lord. People there, they treat me kind. Yeah, New Mexico ain't bad, Lord. People there, they treat me kind. Oh, white freight liner, won't you come home and weigh my mind? Oh, everyone's dancing now. Well, I guess I'm bound to ramble till I get back from where I came. Yeah, I guess I'm bound to ramble till I get back from where I came. White freight liner, won't you coming home and weigh my brain? Well, if you see Miss Colleen, won't you tell her I'm doing fine? Yeah, if you see Miss Colleen, won't you tell her I'm doing fine? Oh, white freight liner, won't you come home and weigh my mind? Well, it's bad news from Houston, half my friends are dying. Yeah, it's bad news from Houston, half my friends are dying. White freight liner, won't you come home and weigh my mind? Going out on the highway, listen to them big trucks whine. Going out on the highway, listen to them big trucks whine. White freight liner, won't you coming home and weigh my mind? White freight liner, won't you come home and weigh my mind? Thanks, everybody. Thanks for dancing, and thanks for having us in your beautiful backyard.
Welcome.
Yeah. right,